Welcome back to another Business Broker Coach video tutorial. I'm Darren Giles. Time management versus task management. Which is best? I'll go with task management. Time management is overrated and really it's a myth. You can't manage time, but you can manage yourself and prioritizing your tasks that you have in the available time in which to do them. Task management. This is where the real progress is made and frankly the money is made. After doing your daily planning the night before, if you have a list of tasks that require doing the following day, my suggestion is as soon as you get into the office in the morning, before you open your laptop, check emails, return calls, talk to anyone in the office, you should simply focus on completing the top 3 tasks that you'd set the evening before, which will lead to you having a highly successful and dollar-productive day. Once you've completed these 3 tasks, you'll have an immense feeling of satisfaction and you'll be able to go on through the rest of your day stress-free. Remember, the secret to success is to implement and execute. And at Business Broker Coach, we have strategies for your success. If you'd like to discuss how we can help you in your business, then please feel free to reach out to us, and my team and myself are always happy to field your call. I'm Darren Giles. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.